We will learn the construction of rectangle. In the first type, we have adjacent sides are given. We have to construct a rectangle ABCD with AB as 5 centimeter and BC as 4 centimeter. We already know that the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, right? So AB will be equal to CD and BC will be equal to AD. And since all the angles in the rectangle are 90 degree, so we will be using these two angles also. So here you can see that the first three steps I have already done. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. You just have to draw this, and we already know how to construct 90 degree. So with A as center and B as center, I have constructed 90 degree. Now we know that AD is 4 centimeter. So let us measure 4 centimeter. With A center and 4 centimeter as the radius, we will cut this arc. Similarly over here also we will cut this arc. So we will have our two vertices C and D, and now we will join this. So this is our required rectangle ABCD. Now the next type is to construct a rectangle given one side and one diagonal. We have to construct ABCD with AB is 6 centimeter and AC is 7.4 centimeter. 6 centimeter I have already constructed, and here also we will be using the 90 degree, right? Because I have only two elements with me. So other three I need, right? So what we will be doing? First we will be doing AB, the base, and here I will construct 290 degrees. Now let us draw joint. Now the diagonal 7.4. We will measure 7.4. With A as center. This point of intersection is nothing but point C. And AC is my diagonal. 7.4 centimeter. Now with C as the center and radius 6 centimeter, I will cut another arc to get my last required vertex. Now here you can see here this will be the arc, right? So you can see this is the point of intersection, and that is B. And here you can see that it is exactly measuring 6 centimeter. That means our construction is perfect. So this is how you construct a rectangle when one side and one diagonal is given. Now the third type, when one side and angle between the side and the diagonal is given. Again here I have only two elements, right? So I will be requiring other three elements. So what I will do? I will first draw PQ as 5 centimeter, and here you can see I have already constructed 90 degree over here. So now let us first join this 90 degree. And I will name this ray as PQM, this angle as PQM. Now here I have to construct 30 degree, right? So let us construct 30 degree. How we can construct 30 degree? We have to first draw 60 degree, and then just we have to bisect it. How to bisect? This is how we bisect. So this will be my 30 degree. and the intersection of angle PQM and NPQ will be nothing but my third vertex R. Now what I have to do? Again what I will do? I will draw 5 centimeter from here. Why 5 centimeter from here? So that I can get the fourth vertex. But with this, I cannot get the vertex. So what I have to do? I have to measure this QR also. Why? Because the opposite side of the rectangle are equal, and with P as center, I will cut this arc to get my fourth vertex, and that is S. Now my last step to join all the sides, vertexes, sorry. So this will be PS and SR. So this is my required rectangle PQRS when one side and the angle between the side and the diagonal is given. Now the last one, to construct a rectangle given the length of its diagonal and the angle between the two diagonals. Now here also we know only two things, right? The diagonal and the angle between the two diagonals. So what we are going to do? First we will construct the diagonal 6.8. Then what we have to do? We know that the diagonals of the rectangle are equal and they bisect each other, right? So what we have to do now? First we have to bisect this to get the middle point, midpoint of this diagonal. So more than half, one cut above, one cut below. Now keep the center as R and cut the arc. Right? So I will not draw the whole bisector because it will then confuse us, right? So I will just put a small point to get the midpoint. So this will be the midpoint and we will name it as O. Now we have to construct 60 degree. So how we will construct? We will take O as the center. This will be my baseline, right? And now from this point we have to cut. The angle is upside down, right? So now this point and O, we will join these 2 points. We will draw a line as we want to construct the other diagonal also. Right? So this is my ray XY. Right? Now what we have to do? We know that the diagonals bisect each other and they are equal. So we will measure OP and we will take O as the radius and put one arc over here and one arc over here. And we will have the other two vertex. So this will be Q and this will be S. Now what we have to do? We have to join thus we have our rectangle PQRS. Now this is how you construct a rectangle given the length of its diagonal and the angle between the two diagonals. With this, the construction of rectangle is completed. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.